A very good evening to all of you present in today's session. It's an absolute honor to be presenting before you all. I'm going to just share my screen. Welcome to today's session. The topic for today's session is the secret to reach your goals with ease and velocity. So like Meghna ji said, now we are actually nearing the end of this year, right? And all of us are wondering, what is the progress that we have made this year, right? So fear not, I'm going to be sharing a very powerful tool for you so that next year, at the end of the year, you will not be asking the same question to yourself. So a little bit about me. My name is Adishri Anand. Like Meghna ji said, I'm an entrepreneur and author. I'm based in New Delhi. My recent book is the Live by Design Goals Journal, which is the first goal planner in India, and about which I will be sharing more in detail in the later part of today's presentation. It gives me great pleasure to be sharing it with you all today on this platform of unstoppable passionpreneurs. So let me start by setting the agenda for today's session. We are first going to be starting by taking a self-assessment test. It is going to be a short 2-minute test where all of you will be able to see what is missing in your goals planning. That will be followed by what are the 5 keys for accomplishing your goals with ease and velocity. And lastly, I will be sharing with you all an action tool to achieve guaranteed results in 13 weeks. So let's make this session a bit interactive, and let's start by understanding what are the common challenges that most of us face in our respective goals journey. So friends, I would like to start by asking you all, do you find yourself making big business goals or big life goals and then later giving up on them as they seem hard work? Or do you find your goals taking very long to achieve, which ends up making you feeling stressed and unsatisfied in your life? So I would request you to please unmute yourself and share which of the 2 categories do you fall under.
I would like fall under the first one.
The second one, ma'am.
Please say out your name so I know who.
Ali Asghar Dexter, the second
yes,
one.
Second one. Okay. So could you elaborate a bit about your experience, please?
Ma'am, yeah, I'm trying very hard to try to achieve different types of importing different types of say business products to achieve it, but it's taking some time to going. I'm achieving, but it really taking a longer duration to achieve the goals.
Right. Great. And that leaves you stressed and leaves you unsatisfied. Is that your experience?
Unsatisfied, you cannot say, but it's stress. You're putting a whole energy. You're putting effort. You're going. So I'm not able to achieve that goal.
Got it. Thanks for sharing, Ali. So I see that hard work in your goals is leaving you stressed. So I'll be sharing more about this in the later part. Who else would like to share, please?
Yeah, Adi, I am Atul Kakkad from Nigeria. I find both of the factors, the other can say combination of both in achieving the goals. And at the end of the day, you feel unsatisfied, stressed out, demotivated, and lacking in confidence.
Right. Thanks for spelling it out, because that is what most of us end up feeling, when we're not.
Because goals are bigger. Okay, goals are bigger, but it takes time to achieve it. Results are not coming the way you want.
Yes.
The goals becomes bigger and bigger.
Right. They seem more intimidating.
Yes.
Got it. Thanks for sharing your experience. Can we have one more sharing, please? A quick one. Anyone else would like to share? Okay, so let's proceed. So we had 2 sharings. So I'm sure most of you are also introspecting in yourself to find that most of you are falling in either of the 2 categories. So what is it that is delaying your success? Let us find out what is causing all this stress and delayed goals. What we are going to do is I'm going to put this in the chat box, the link of a short self-assessment test. I'll just put it on the chat box for all of you to access it. This is going to be a short 2-minute test where each question is going to have 2 options, and I request you to select one of them. This will actually help you to see how you've planned out your life and how your goals are actually faring. Is everybody able to access this link? All of you, please quickly hurry up and start wrapping up. And also feel free to share your scores on the chat box. Let us see how it is going for all of you. Thank you for sharing, Avnish. Thanks for sharing your score. Harshul is done. Ravi has also done. Nikita, thanks for sharing your score. Let's have everybody share their scores. Scores will come to your email address that you have mentioned in the test. Great. Thanks, Harsh, for sharing. Let's have some more scores come in. Great. Thanks, Nihar, Ravi. Thank you for sharing. Okay, great. So now we're going to see what is it that these scores actually mean for us. So are you living by design or default in your life? Let's find out what the scores have to say. So friends, here is an indication of your scores. Scores which are closer to 0 reflect that you're living a life without any planning, that is on default mode, which requires you to put in more effort and more hard work to get your results. While scores which are closer to 100 means that you're living a productive life with smart work, which means with using less effort, you're able to get more results in your life. So friends, don't worry on whatever scores you have got, because the very purpose of this presentation is to help you get to the next level of scores in your life. So let us simplify the goals journey for all of you so that you can achieve your goals with ease and velocity by using the 5 keys for goal accomplishment. Let us see what are those 5 keys. Now, number 1 is to be specific. Specific about your dreams, your desires, and your purpose. What kind of a life do you want to live? Being specific about that. You'll find that most of us don't even know what kind of life we want to live. You'll be surprised to know a study by British Journal of Psychology found that 92% of the people who were unhappy in their life were those who were not even clear about what they want in their life. It is said, life without a clear purpose is like driving with no destination and no directions. It is like sitting on the driver's seat and not knowing which destination you want to reach. Now you see, life में abundance of opportunities हैं, बहुत सारे रास्ते हैं, but if you do not commit to any one particular route, you will be distracted by everything, right? So you need to commit yourself to one goal at a time and then work towards achieving them. So like I said, imagine you're sitting on the driver's seat of your car and you don't know which destination you want to reach. You will not know which direction to take, and it will leave you getting unhappy. Absence of goals also makes you feel less accomplished. आप सबने जिंदगी में बहुत कुछ accomplish किया होगा, पर जब तक एक गोल ट्रैकर नहीं होगा आपकी लाइफ में, आप नहीं समझ पाएंगे आपने लाइफ में अब तक क्या अचीवमेंट की, जिससे कि आपको अकम्पलिशमेंट की फीलिंग भी नहीं आएगी. Which is why setting targets or goals is very important, because it helps you to feel more accomplished in your life. It helps you to play the role of pulling your attention towards them, and when you achieve them, it gives you a sense of satisfaction and purpose in your life. Which is why the famous business coach, Tony Robbins, says, setting goals is the first step in turning the invisible into the invisible in your life. It is about turning your inherent desires into measurable goals. That is, from our subconscious mind into our conscious mind, so that we know where we want to go in our life. Which is why, friends, goal setting is the most important part of your goals journey. It is the first step to start your success journey. Specific goals allows you to focus your attention. It guides your actions and behaviors. It creates commitment in you and helps you to feel accomplished. Now, to set you up for success, it is important that you have SMART goals. What do I mean by SMART goals? That it should be specific, measurable, achievable, relevant, and time bound. I'm sure आप सबको एक glimpse मिल गया होगा in the assessment test that you took in the beginning of the session, right? So having a goal as vague as I want to be happy. Happiness, you will not be able to know when you have achieved happiness. When you have a goal कि मैं ये achieve कर लूँगा तो मुझे happiness होगी. So you are able to manage your progress on a day-to-day basis and feel accomplished and happy after its accomplishment. So which is why it should be a specific goal and follow the SMART framework. So friends, set your goals today and see your life change. Decide and be specific, as clarity of goals helps you to create clarity in action. It will help you to eliminate the confusion which occurs when goals are set in a more generic manner. Now, secondly, big goals are stressful and seem like hard work, which is why it is important to start small, to break down your goals into short-term milestones and start small. Besides, human beings can manage small time frames effectively. आप देखिए आपने 1 Jan को जो goals, अपने resolutions, business goals, जो भी आपने set किए होंगे, अब तक आप manage करने में आपको दिक्कतें आई होंगी. Even companies, they set quarterly targets and they have quarterly reviews, right? This is because humans can manage small time frames effectively, which is why the best way to manage your goals is to break them into short-term targets and milestones. इससे आपके goals less stressful or less difficult honge and within your reach when you focus on the more manageable steps, small steps that you can take. कहते हैं, taking small steps is much easier than taking big leaps as once. So friends, think big, create big goals, break them down into short-term milestones and act fast. Think big, start small, act fast. Now, third point. It is said you cannot rely on motivation alone. At times, it will never come. Instead, focus on building a momentum and it will take you through. इसके लिए, you need to start small. The trick is to find a way to just get started. Start with a small step. Start where you are. Use whatever you have and do whatever you can to take that one step to move forward. Because once you get started, it is much easier to stay in motion. आपने देखा होगा जब साइकिल चलाना होता है तो जब स्टार्टिंग का एक वो करना होता है तब ज्यादा दिक्कत आती है, पर जब एक बार साइकिल चल पड़ती है तो वो मोमेंटम पकड़ के that becomes much easier to roll through, and that is exactly what you need to do in your goals journey. Secondly, your brain needs winnings to move forward. आपके ब्रेन को positive signals चाहिए होते हैं time to time to know that it is making progress, that it is on the right track. It will help you to keep moving forward. So create small goal-oriented wins every day. So for example, अगर आप एक book लिखना चाहते हैं, so maybe you could spend 20 minutes of writing daily, right? For example, you want to lose weight, right? And you're not even, you are someone who are not even doing exercise. So you can start by maybe walking for 5 minutes every day, build a momentum, and then increase the duration as you go along each day, right? So it is said that small incremental progress every day counts for a lot in the long run. And that is what you need to focus on, to create small winnings every single day for yourself, no matter how small it is, to make your mind know that you're on the right track. Thirdly, if you view each day as a step of your journey, it will be easier for you to make progress. आप next 24 hours तक ही देखिए आप क्या कर सकते हैं. What best you can do to get closer to your goals, rather than seeing कि मुझे एक महीने के लिए क्या करना है. So for those who are just starting out and who want to create a momentum, जो दूर तक नहीं प्लान कर सकते, आप सिर्फ next 24 hours तक देखिए, एक दिन में आप कितना प्रोग्रेस कर सकते हैं, क्या एक्शन स्टेप ले सकते हैं छोटे से छोटा, जिससे कि आपकी मोमेंटम बने. And lastly, ask yourself daily, what is the one step you can take today to get closer to your goal. And there will lie your answer to build your momentum. Now, fourth important step is to reflect daily. Now, consider for a moment, you have all had a busy week, right? If you were to ask yourself, kitna percentage progress aapne banaya on the week in terms of your achievement of your goals on the week that has gone by? If you're not measuring your progress on a daily basis, you would not know by the end of the week how much progress on our goals we have made. And that is a problem that most of us face. And why is this problem a big thing? Let us understand that there is a difference, friends, between being busy and being productive in our life. I invite you to see this short video to actually understand what is the difference between the two.
The difference between being busy and being productive. Being busy involves frantic work, while being productive is more focused. Being busy prioritizes the short term, while productivity is all about long-term priorities. Being busy is about working harder, while being productive is about working smarter. When you're busy, you're fueled by perfectionism. But when you're productive, you're fueled by purpose. Being busy means being good at everything, while being productive is about being great at a few things. Busyness is all about multitasking and shallow work, while being productive is about sticking to a single task and engaging in deep work. Being busy is rushed, while being productive is relaxed. You can't always avoid being busy. Life happens. Sometimes the urgent crowds out the important. But when we focus on the things that matter, we are more likely to be productive rather than busy.
So friends, I hope now you got a glimpse of what being busy and being productive is. Not all actions that you take in a day are taking you closer to your goals. So don't mistake all the action for achievement. So like I said, not all actions are taking you closer to your goals. Some actions are only and only keeping you busy, which is why reflecting daily on your progress allows you to see what is missing in your actions. So stop being busy and delaying your success and use the productive way to reach your goals much faster and achieve your goals in a shorter duration. The advantage of reflecting daily is that it allows you to see what is missing in your actions, to see where you have been being busy and where you're being productive, so that the next day you can make the adjustments accordingly and make each day count. Lastly, and most importantly, it is the mindset which matters. Friends, sometimes all the distance that seems to be separating you from your goals is your mind. If you don't believe it's possible for you to achieve what you want, you can work day and night, but you will not be able to succeed. Self-belief is the key to success, and it is the first and foremost step of your goals journey, to tell yourself that you can do this. Because if you don't believe in yourself, friends, who else will? So remove all the mental barriers that you have, all the negative beliefs about what you can do and what you can't do, and see the reality will change instantly. So it is important for you to give power to your goals, to give respect to your goals, for them to respect you back. At the end, I will summarize the 5 points for you once again. So starting with, it is important to be specific about your dreams, your desires, and your goals. Secondly, break down your big goals into short-term milestones and targets. Thirdly, start by taking small steps to create that momentum. Fourthly, reflect daily on your progress. And lastly, have self-belief. So friends, with this, we come to the end of the 5 keys for goal accomplishment. So all that have I shared till now, friends, it has all been knowledge. But is knowledge alone going to help you to achieve your goals? I'm sure you must be knowing most of these points already, but are you really implementing them in your day-to-day life? Friends, it doesn't matter what you know, because execution is what matters the most. As Dale Carnegie, the business coach, famously said, knowledge has no power unless it is applied. It is time to convert all the knowledge that you have into action, because action alone is going to get the results that you want in your life. So let us start by first understanding what is the journey from dreams to reality actually look like. ये journey start होती है आपके dreams से. A dream, when written down with a date, becomes a goal. A goal, broken down into steps, becomes a plan. A plan, backed by action, makes your dreams a reality. Now, friends, what if you had an action tool which would help you to incorporate all the 5 keys that we discussed right now in your journey from your dreams to reality? An action tool in the form of a simple step-by-step action roadmap from goal setting to goal accomplishment, so that you can start seeing results in just 13 weeks. An action tool, which includes a vision board builder, a goal setting exercise, an action planner tool to help you organize your day, a daily scheduler, a daily self-reflection to help you reflect on whether you have been busy or productive during the day, a daily productive score where you will be scoring yourself on a scale of 0 to 10 every single day, again to see whether you have been busy or productive, because productivity is the route that we need to take. So it is going to help you evaluate every single day so that you can see the difference for yourself. A progress tracker to see how you're progressing every single day and building your journey to achieve your goals. A habit builder tool, because habits is the foundation to success. And what is the technology of achieving your habits is also present in the action tool. A daily mood board, a mindset training action forms, because mindset matters, and a quarter-end performance scorecard after 13 weeks to see your performance. Basically, all the tools to set you up for success with ease and velocity. Well, friends, presenting to you that action tool, the Live by Design Goals Journal. Goals Journal is the first goal planner in India. It is a planner to help you design your life with greater clarity. It provides you a simple yet powerful action system to achieve your goals. It is in the form of a fill-in-the-blank journal where every day you will be using the design of the journal to structure your day for maximum productivity, to achieve your goals and enjoy your life. So these are the 3 parameters on which the Goals Journal has been designed on. First, you will be starting by setting your targets, by setting smart, specific targets. Secondly, the journal design is focused on efforts, creating smart efforts, productive efforts to move faster towards your goals. And thirdly, the journal design also supports you in creating a positive mindset so that you can enjoy the process of goal accomplishment. In short, it has been designed to simplify your goals journey so that you can enjoy your life and reach your goals faster than you ever thought possible. The design of the journal is designed on smart work so that you can say goodbye to hard work by stop being busy and start being productive. As you can see, it is being used by all over the country, and it is trusted by entrepreneurs, professionals, fitness enthusiasts, life coaches all over the country, right from Ludhiana in the north to Kozhikode in the south to Ahmednagar to Calcutta, Gujarat, every place we have users who are using it and benefiting it in their life. Let us show you a couple of testimonials about what the people are saying about the Goals Journal. So the first testimonial is from Ms. Shan Khanna, who is the founder of Networking Now India, which is a premier networking group in Bombay with over 50,000 members. And this is what she had to say about the Goals Journal.
Hey guys, so Live by Designer sent me their goals journal. I actually think it's really cool. Look at the contents, everything I love. You guys know I love a vision board, goal setting, progress tracker, what I want my dream life to be, why should I journal. Also, it's really cool because it helps you in setting your goals. They do a Zoom call to explain how to use this journal the best way. And how you can get a good score and final results. They have something very cool, which I liked, which is targets for the day, and also your mood and the reason why you do something. So your habit tracker, moods, everything's covered. They also have scribble pages at the end.
Right, so this is what she described our book. Let me show you another testimonial from Mr. Suchir Suri, who is the founder of Food Talk India. It is one of the leading food communities in our country. I'll just put it from the beginning.
From today, I'm going to start journaling. I believe that journaling really helps you in achieving your goals. And what you write is what you actually achieve. And it's going to help me maintain consistency in finally getting to where I want to be. And I'm using this journal, which I find works out. It has milestones, it has goal setting trackers in it. It has weekly planners. And I'm going to keep you posted with my journey.
Right. And I invite you to visit our website and our Instagram and Facebook pages to see more reviews of what people are saying about the Goals Journal and their experiences. So let me share with you the bonuses that come along with the Goals Journal. So after purchasing the Goals Journal, you get 2 bonuses. The first bonus is that we provide 2 complimentary training sessions to actually handhold you to understand the system and the design of the journal and to actually get you started using on the design of it. By the end of the training session, the users end up saying that this is an extremely simple and powerful system. So that is the first bonus that we offer. Secondly, we also offer an invitation to join our inner circle on WhatsApp, wherein daily we share productivity tips and techniques on how to maximize your productivity and achieve efficiency in your goals journey using the Goals Journal. So these are the 2 complimentary bonuses that we offer because we are committed that you use the Goals Journal and benefit from it. So we are giving all the support that we can from our end to make the journey simpler and easier for you. So coming to the Goals Journal offer, it is priced at rupees 1599. And currently we're offering a special offer price of 1299, which includes the 2 bonuses along with the Goals Journal. To get your copy, you may visit the website, which is livebydesigngoals.com, or you may also go directly on bit.ly/pay-for-goals-journal. I have also attached the QR code on the screen if you wish to go directly to getting a copy for yourself. So with this, we come to the end of our session. I invite you all to join us on our social media handles on Instagram, on Facebook, and see how the Goals Journal is creating magic in the lives of people and the users who are using it. So with that, we come to the end, and thank you very much for your attention.